How are you, Chris?
Going well.
Busy day or?
Well, yeah, it's been a successful day. Interesting people to chat to. That's always
So it was good.
Yeah,
a highlight.
It's a very interesting car.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. 100% electricity run.
100%.
Yeah. That's
Navigate.
It's fun.
Yeah, I'm just talking to the car.
Oh, sorry.
It's just getting it on the big screen.
Oh, cool. Yeah, fine. Yes, right. Reading on the burger.
Yeah. Have you heard much about the Teslas?
Only on some mainstream media, so you would have more knowledge.
well, I work for an oil company. We don't know about Tesla. it's the future. Yeah, no, it's the future. That's how we call it. We call it that we are in the past and they're in the future.
Yeah.
And how's it for charging? How long do you get it for?
About 440k
Okay.
charge.
And what are the charging options for you?
What was
What are the charging options for you? Do you have to go back to base to charge, or do you charge?
No, just plug into a power point at home.
Okay.
Oh, really? Okay,
Yeah.
as simple as that.
Simple as that.
Yeah.
You wake up in the morning and your car is full,
Yeah.
and if you go interstate, you can fill up at the fast chargers along the way.
Oh, okay. Are they being integrated into petrol stations, or are they independent locations?
Independent locations. Yeah, specifically not petrol stations. I'm
Okay.
trying to steer clear of the
Yeah, the enemy.
enemy. Yeah, that's right. So you know you were saying that it was an automatic.
Yes.
So it's like really quite an automatic car.
Yeah.
That's right.
Actually, it's kind of like more automatic than you might imagine.
Wow, that is
It's doing all the steering, the braking, the accelerating,
Okay.
and the pickup from the lights is kind of something else. So I'll give you a little taste, but it is very quick. Okay.
Sure. Wow. Wow. It is take your head off.
Oh my
So that torque is incredible.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Roller coaster. And do you just plant the foot then, or do you use a brake?
Just plant the foot
Okay.
and just click your fingers and bang. That's
Yeah.
you're off and away. It's quicker than almost any car on the road.
Yeah. And even those motorbikes wouldn't have that.
Yeah.
Like, that's that. Yeah, it's incredible because most have that some lag time with the clutch and. Yeah, plastic back there.
When the doors open, it's very, very nice.
It's just too cool, isn't it?
It is.
Very cool. I knew they were cool, but I didn't.
You didn't know they were this cool.
Yeah.
I'm making it my job to educate.
Absolutely.
Yeah, good for
It's
you.
my little personal mission to. I run a software company in the education sector, and I just love getting out and about and driving my car and chatting to people and bringing the message, because so many people aren't aware that it's
such a cool
a
car.
thing. Electric is high performance. Self-drive is already. I've had a self-driving car for 2 years, and yet everyone that gets in, they sort of think, "Oh yeah, self-driving's coming." It's like, hang on, I've had it for 2 years.
Yeah, it's a shame the government's on it, but I just my head in with it.
We've got no support from the government for electric cars in in Australia.
In Australia.
It's disgusting.
Other countries, they are substantial discounts on registration and the like. I mean, electric cars, there's less pollution. You know?
Yeah.
Accident rates are lower. Like, there's a whole range of benefits that society gets from, you know, the promotion of that technology.
Yeah, we sold years ago. I rode a scooter and then we just walk and we live in the city, so not purely for the car benefits, but yeah, I've been sort of not anti-vehicle, but
That's great.
cost
That's
of any
the way
car
it should
is-
be.
yeah, I don't see why you can have a car in the city. You can walk or Uber these days.
Yeah, it's just too easy to get an Uber. You don't have to wait
No.
20 minutes for a cab and wonder if
No.
it'll turn up. You just ride sharing's here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can, and then if we need it, we have go get car sharing.
Yeah.
If we need a vehicle.
Or there's Drive My Car or Car Next Door.
Yeah.
There's some other
Yeah.
options. And on the ride sharing, there's other ride players involved, like Go Catch is the Australian version of Uber.
Okay.
It's quite large, slightly cheaper, but yeah, than Uber. But
Oh, so you can change the suspension on the fly. You can change that.
yeah,
Okay.
go up, go down.
Yeah.
yeah,
So if
there's a
you
lot
go
of
over some
controls.
rough terrain, you can get higher or.
That's exactly
Speed
right.
bumps
You
or-
go under a low car park,
Yeah.
you might lower the suspension.
Yeah, better handling obviously is lower.
And sometimes if there's a lot of speed bumps on a road,
Yeah.
I'll raise up or
Yep.
just a little bit. Yeah, there's-
I guess you installed the GoPros as a security measure.
I did, yeah. I mean, I do like most of my work's sort of software, but this is like my little side gig.
Yeah.
And I've got a website which I think was a pretty cool domain name, Tesla.tours. It's a new top level domain. But yeah, I just sort of I rent out. I've got 2 Teslas and I rent them both out occasionally and drive people around on tours sometimes or introduce them to the car. And when I'm driving for Uber, it's a lot of people coming through and you get conversations about sustainable transport options and renewable energy. You know, I'm sort of using the GoPros with it's on loop recording, so
Sure.
sometimes people want clips posted online, and I'm just working on a viral video program of just like introducing people into the car, and you know, hearing those conversations is a way that can encourage other people to become aware.
Yeah.
Like earlier today, I think I probably sold a Tesla to a couple that are like, oh, we were sort of thinking that it was a bit hard to charge, and I talked them through it and
Yeah.
blasted off from the lights, and they felt the power, and they thought, goodness, these electric cars aren't lame.
Yeah.
They're changing hearts and minds. It's kind of fun.
Yeah.
So,
You can go straight ahead after the 10k there and
uh-huh.
that's the end.
Yeah.
And around the corner on the left hand side of the end of the street. Just up
It
in
is
front-
gorgeous.
Up in front of these cars on the left is fine.
Sure.
Pull out behind other car. Yeah, very smooth.
Yeah, air suspension. Well, it's been a pleasure having you aboard.
Yes. Suspension, okay. Is this like a standard model or is this a...
This is a performance model, so
Okay.
it's top of the line.
Sure.
There's no differential and no exhaust, and Bye-bye.